Before taking oath, the judge advocate for this court, Colonel Richard Tukachungura, first took them through the laws that govern this court. First to take oath was Brigadier General Freeman Robert Mugabe, chairman of this court.
According to the Uganda People's Defense Forces Act, without partiality, favor or affection, and I further swear that I will not at any time whatsoever disgrace or discover the vote of.
Other members who took oath of office include Colonel Mark John Semaganda, Lieutenant Colonel Simon Tungura, Major Cyprian Sande Magezi, Warrant Officer 1, Oya Boris Mark, Captain Christine Sayun, Major Richard Tulia Hawe, Warrant Officer 1, Robert Nyarare, and Captain Lucy Nicole Oeturu.
I, Colonel John Mark Semanda, swear by the Almighty God that I will well and truly try the accused persons before the court according to the evidence, and that I will duly administer justice according to the Uganda People's Defense Forces Act, without partiality, favor, or affection.
Colonel Sam Tungura, swear by the Almighty God that I will well and truly try the accused persons before the court according to the evidence, and that I will duly administer justice according to the Uganda People's Defense Forces Act, without partiality.
Before the court according to the evidence, and that I will duly administer justice according to the Uganda People's Defense Forces Act, without partiality, favor, or affection. And I further swear that I will not at any time.
David Maguma, swear by the Almighty God that I will well and truly try the accused persons before this court according to the evidence, and that I will duly administer justice according to the Uganda People's Defense Forces Act, without partiality, favor, or affection. And I further
will well and truly try the accused persons before the court according to the evidence, and that I will duly administer justice according to the Uganda People's Defense Forces Act,
Without partiality, favor, or affection. I further swear that I will not at any time whatsoever disclose or discover
justice according to the Uganda People's Defense Forces Act, without partiality.
In his speech, Brigadier General Freeman Robert Mugabe applauded President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni for renewing their contracts to serve in this court.
But before that, I want to thank God first of all for giving us a bright day. All of us are gathered here in this room. Glory be to Him. Secondly, I want to thank the Commander-in-Chief of Posts again for entrusting me, or for giving me another opportunity to serve as the chairman for the third term. I'm really happy and grateful to him for trusting me. Second, I want to thank also the Army leadership for also giving opportunity the old members and the new members who have just finished swearing in to come and also serve in this new term. As of course we perform our duty, you know, the whole world is watching us and they are expecting a lot from us as we administer justice. I expect discipline of the highest order. I expect integrity among the members and technical staff. I expect teamwork, and those will be the core values maybe that can help us perform better maybe than we have been performing.
Chairman Mugabe urged members to exhibit discipline, teamwork and integrity in executing their duties as members.
I want to thank the members we worked together during the last term for really the discipline and hard work you exhibited for the whole year. That was 23-24. I had no major problem with my members, although towards the end, I realized that there are members who are not, who did not do, in fact, who did opposite the oath. I want to refer this oath. If we have just maybe during our swearing in, yes, we read the oath, but we need to internalize it and make sure that we do not do anything against this oath. Because it is very important. As I said, we are here, but we are being watched by many people. There are opinion courts outside there. Whatever we do here, people sit and, evaluate us. Once you are a suspect, it is either way. Justice is administered in either way. If there is overwhelming evidence, definitely the punishment will be there. If there is no evidence...
However, other members were not in court to take oath. As it has been a norm of court, other members in this court, but they are not entitled to take oath include Private Kanyoma Habib, Captain Marion Yakandinda Kagumire, and Major Gift Agile Kaganda. Others are Major Commander Silas Mutungi, Defense Counsel, Lieutenant Colonel Raphael Mugisha as the lead prosecutor, and Major Frank Chigulu Asimwe as Secretary and Registrar of this court, replacing Major John Bizimana, who retired the army work of recent. In courtroom were also members of the public and suspects in the dock during the swearing-in ceremony. After swearing in, immediately, court resumed with the hearing of the case, where 6 people accused of murdering lawyer Ronald Mukisa in Mutungo, Chitiko, Kampala district. The third witness in this case was Lieutenant Frank Nyakairu, an expert in phone tracking. Brigadier General Freeman Robert Mugabe and other members will serve a term of 1 year in this court.